Today, we are tackling one of the biggest questions in personal finance. How do I make my money actually works for me? Not just vanish every month like magic. Tell me if this sounds familiar. You get paid, you're excited, you settle a few bills, maybe treat yourself a little, then by the 20th you're asking, where did my money go to? If that's you, you are not alone. Especially in this economy, whether you're earning in naira or dollar, prices are rising and it's getting harder to manage your income. That's where budgeting comes in. But not just any budget. Today, I'll show you how to use the 50-30-20 budget rule. A simple budget system that helps you spend with purpose, save consistently, and still enjoy life. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to apply this rule to your income, whether you're earning from 50,000 to 500,000 naira or $500 to $5,000. The best apps to use in Nigeria and globally, what to do when your income is low or unstable, and how to build a smarter relationship with your money. Hello, fam, and welcome back to Wealth with Doris, where every penny counts. On this channel, we build wealth together and turn our pocket change into power moves. If you're ready to grow your money in a smart way that will bring you closer to financial freedom, this channel is the right place for you. If you're a first-time viewer, please click on the subscribe button, like and share. Are you ready? Let's dive in. All right. What exactly is the 50-30-20 rule? It's a money management system where you split your income. That's after taxes and deduction. You put your 50% in your needs. Your needs are your rent, your groceries, your utilities, transportation, and health. Then you put 30% for your wants, which is the Netflix, eating out, date nights, and data plan. Then the 20% you put in your savings, which is the emergency fund, your investing, paying down loans, and the rest of them. It works because it's simple, it's flexible, and realistic. Whether you live in Lagos, Nairobi, Atlanta, London, the concept holds up. Every naira and dollar should have a purpose. That's the key mindset. I will show you real world example coming up. But first, let's talk through what counts as needs versus wants, because this confuses a lot of people. Needs: rent. Want: Netflix. Wi-Fi. It depends. If you work online, it might be a need, it might be a want. Just ask yourself, can I survive with this? In a short while, I'm going to show you how to apply it in a 2D animation. Meanwhile, let's put it up this way. Let's say you live in Nigeria, you're earning 200,000 every month. Here is how your budget would break down. In your needs, which is 50%, you're going to put your 100,000 naira, 50% of 200,000, which is your rent, 40,000, food, 30,000, transportation, 20,000, utility, 10,000 naira. In your wants, which is the 30%, which is 60,000 naira, you put your 10,000 data plan, your outing, your hair, your clothes, 30,000 will go there. Then Netflix, let's say 3,000 or 8,000 depending. Then your other flex can be 12,000 or 17,000 naira. In your savings, 20%, which is 40,000, emergency fund 20,000, investment 10,000, loan repayment 10,000 naira. Here is a 3D animation of what we talked about. tools you can use in Nigeria to save. Kuda Bank, it automatically saves and tracks your spending. Piggyvest or Cowrywise for fixed savings goals. Then for my DIY budget templates, you can use Google Sheets. Common mistakes Nigerians make when applying these budgets: underestimating feeding and transport costs. If you are living in Abuja, the transportation is high. Spending from your savings. Not tracking small expenses like POS charges. Anyone? For instance, Bukola, a single mom in Abuja, earns 200,000 naira. After like 3 months on this budget system, she cleared her 60,000 naira loan, started saving 15,000 monthly, and stopped impulse buying like shawarma, ice cream, and all the likes of them all the time. Now, for my viewers outside Nigeria, you are not left out. Let's say you earn 2,000 naira per month. That's after net income. Here is how you break it down. In your needs, 50%, you put your $1,000. You have $700 for rent and utility. You have $200 for your groceries. Then you have phone transport. You have your $100. In your wants, which is 30%, $600, you put $30 in your streaming, dining out $150, shopping $200, fun and entertainment $220. Then in your savings or debt, which is 20%, that's $400. You put $150 in your emergency fund, Roth IRA of 401k $100, debt payment $100. Here is a 3D animation of what we talked about. Apps to use: Mint app. We have the YNAB app. It's actually paid, but it's very, very powerful. Then you have the Excel for my DIY lovers. So Angela, a retail worker in Houston, uses this tool and says it helps her stop living paycheck to paycheck. She's now planning a trip to Africa. I hope she comes to Nigeria. So try the 50-30 method for 1 month. Come back and tell us how it went in the comment section. And of course, like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs this. Next time, start smart, spend wiser and grow richer.